calendar. I'm going to be calling on friends to help me out. Today is Monday, January 11th, 2021. Sophia, can you help me write out the date?
11.
So in English, we're going to start with the month. This is the first month.
1-11.
Nice job.
2021.
Good job. And we can just put 21. So when we're writing the date on things today, we're going to put 1-11-21. All right? Naomi, if today is Monday and it's your birthday, that means yesterday was what? Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday. Eli, if today is Monday, that means tomorrow will be what will tomorrow be if today is Monday?
Thursday.
There's Sunday and there's Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday, nice job. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. We have two more birthdays this Tuesday, right here. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Two more birthdays this week. But we do not have school this day. I'm going to put no school. And we don't have school this day either. So we have a birthday on Friday and a birthday on Saturday. All right? So before we move over to the next part of calendar, I want you guys to unmute and we're going to sing to Naomi. It is her birthday today. Are you guys ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Naomi. Happy birthday to you. Good job. Awesome job. All right. So we have a pattern going on in this calendar, and I want you guys to see what this pattern is. We have 3 penguins, 2 gloves, 1 hot chocolate. And this pattern is going to repeat over and over again. 3 penguins, 2 gloves, 1 hot chocolate. 3 penguins, 2 gloves. So what is tomorrow's picture going to be, Elias? It goes 3, 2, 1. Can you say it nice and loud, Elias? So tomorrow will be the 12th. Do you know what little picture we're going to have? Is it going to be a penguin, a glove, or a hot chocolate cup? Let's take a look. We have 3 penguins, 2 gloves, 1 hot chocolate. 3 penguins, 2 gloves, 1 hot chocolate. So tomorrow's should be 1 hot chocolate. So we have a pattern of 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Every month there will be a different pattern, and I want to see how quickly we can discover it. All right, Days of the Week song. So we're going to leave microphones muted so our friends online can hear us watching the video later. So leave microphone muted, but I want you guys to be singing along with me. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 So this week, boys and girls, you only have school on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You do not have school Thursday or Friday. So you come to school 3 days this week. All right, stand up. We're going to do months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all turn around. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year, and we all sit down. Okay. We have two more parts of calendar. We have the weather, and then we have number of days in school. So, for my calendar, I have a graph here with sunny, cloudy, partly cloudy, rainy, or snowy. So if you would like to help out, you're going to raise your hand, and when you answer, I want you to say today's weather is, and then make your choice. So look at your screen. If your hand is up, that means you want to help. Samuel, can you tell me about the weather today? Sunny. He says today's weather is sunny. So I'm going to take a sun and I'm going to put it here. I want to ask a couple of questions about the chart. And we are going to do that instead of Math Mountain today. Okay? Jose, which one has more, snowy or cloudy?
Snow.
Snowy. Nice job. Valeria, which ones have the same number? Are there any of these that are the same?
Sunny, cloudy, and partly cloudy.
Nice job. All three of these are tied. They have 3 each. And let's see, one more question. Aurelie, which one has 0 days? Rainy, nice job. You can use the picture over here to help you. Rainy has 0. Great job. Okay, so for the number of days in school, you can either count by tens or by ones. You can also view this and see that the last time we were in school, we had 79. If you look here, this is 79. So all we are doing is adding one more. Watch what I do. One more. When a 10 frame is full, it's super easy to count these. So if you know how many days we've been in school now, you're going to walk me through how to change my number. You're going to let me know which place the 10s or the 1s that I need to change. I'm going to look and see who's raising their hand. Bracket, can you help me with the number of days we've been in school?
We've been in school for 70.
Make sure you count all the way down here.
90 days. 60, 70, 89, 71.
So take a look here. We have this is a full 10 frame. This one is not full and this one is not full.
70.
So yesterday we
71.
had 79 and that was this. And then we just added one more bracket.
80.
80. Nice job.
80.
So bracket, if I change this number to 80, can you tell me what my tens is going to change into? 8. And then what is my ones change into? A 0. Nice job. So we have
0.
good job, bracket. We have 8 groups of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 groups of 10. And then we have a 0 for the ones because down here in this new 10 frame, we don't have anything filled in. Excellent job. All right, friends, we are all done with calendar for today. So the next thing I would like for you guys to do is to get out your word study book. Okay? And in your word study book, you are going to have this packet. And it's going to start with sort 16. If you look up here, you're going to see the blend TH, like we practice in reading class, and WH, okay? So what I want you to do, I'm going to turn my screen off so you guys can see me better, is I want you to rip off this top one, okay? Your guys' is colored, but I accidentally did mine on just white. So this top one here is the one we're going to work on. It only has 2 word families to start with. We have this blend of TH and a blend of WH. The rest of your packet needs to just go in the back of your word study book in the way back. And we will work on those later this week. So I believe that your word study paper is green. Yes. So yours is green like this. That's the one we're going to work on now. So verde, green. Go ahead and, I have somebody's microphone that is really staticky. Sort 16 with TH blend like thumb and a WH blend like wheel, okay? You should also have your word study book. The rest of the week's pages are in the back, and we're going to turn to a brand new page and have our book ready just like this. Before we cut these out, I want to go through and talk about each of these pictures, and we're going to decide if it sounds like as in thumb or w as in wheel, okay? So this is a thermometer. Thermometer. Liam, can you tell me, does that sound like TH as in thumb or WH as in wheel? Thermometer. TH, nice job. Thermometer. All right, we have a wheelbarrow. Everyone, I want you guys to say wheelbarrow, even if your microphone is turned off. I want you to practice saying wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Adrian, wheelbarrow. Does that sound like thumb or like wheel? Good job. So we would put this under the WH card. We're going to do one more together, and then we will start cutting them out, and then we're going to go through the pictures as we glue them over here, okay? This is a thermos, okay? Thermos. I want you to think about that sound I'm making. Thermos. Allison, is thermos like thumb, or is thermos like wheel? So I'm going to say the two sounds again, Allison, okay? I'm going to say the two sounds. Here we go. Thumb. Thermos. Do you hear how they sound the same? Thermos. Thumb. Thermos, thumb. They have the same TH blend, okay?
What?
All right. So what I would like for us to do is take a pencil. Remember, I'm using this marker so you can see it on the screen really good. We're going to take our pencil and draw a line down our paper. So go ahead and do that. At the top, we're going to put the date. 1-11-21. On this side, we're going to put TH. That's the blend. TH. On this side, we're going to put the blend WH. W, w, w. WH. Okay. So the first thing that I want us to do is cut out all the way around here. This blank one, we don't need it. It's just going to go in the garbage. Then we're going to glue the TH with the thumb under the TH. That's just going to help us remember and practice writing that. Same with WH. We're going to glue that right here. And then we will start adding the pictures to the right spot. So I will give you guys a couple of minutes to cut all the way around your paper and then throw this part away, okay? So as you guys are cutting these out, if you are already done with this part, I want you to glue these two at the top. Make sure you put them in the right spot. So you're going to put the TH here and the WH here. I'm also going to put all hands down, and then I'm going to see who is ready. If you are at the same spot as me, then you can put your hand right back up. TH, like thumb. WH, like wheel. W, w. When your book looks like this, I want you to use the raise hand button. Start at the top here. And if your hand is raised, that means that you are ready to go, and I'm going to call on you. So I'm just going to cut off the top. You guys can follow along with me, and I'm just going to go snip, snip. And now we have 3 that we can work on. Sophia, I see your hand first. Can you remind me what this picture is? Thermos. Thermos. Sophia, is thermos TH or WH? TH. So we're going to glue the thermos and the TH. And I'm going to glue it really close up to the TH category because I don't know how many I'm going to have to put here. Anderson, do you remember this picture? This is a wheelbarrow. Can you say wheelbarrow? Good job. Wheelbarrow. Does wheelbarrow sound like th or w? Wheelbarrow. Good job, Anderson. Wheelbarrow. W. So it has the blend of w like wheel. Valeria, whenever you are ready, you can tell me the picture of this card. Let me know if you need help.
Thermos.
Thermometer. Thermometer. Can you say thermometer?
Thermometer.
Thermometer. Nice job. So, Valeria, does thermometer sound like TH or WH? W.
TH.
TH. Nice job. So we're going to take our thermometer and glue it under the thermos. See how they have the same beginning? Thermos, thermometer. They both say
They rhyme.
thermometer. I'm going to cut off just the next 3 on the top, and we're going to go through each of these pictures. Aurelie, here's your card. Do you know what this is called? Good job. Whistle. Does whistle sound like th, like thumb or w, like wheel? Good job. Whistle, wheel. So we're going to glue the whistle under the wheelbarrow. Do you hear that they have the same beginning? Wheel, wheelbarrow, whistle. Keela, you are my next helper, so whenever you're ready, just go ahead and unmute and say ready. Nice job, Keela. Keela, this is your picture. This one's a little bit tricky.
I don't know what that is.
So, Keela, we call this a thimble. 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 Does thimble sound like thumb or like wheel? Thimble.
I think wheel.
This one's a little bit tricky, and so this is what I'm going to do, boys and girls. I'm going to flip my camera to me so you guys can see me. Now I'm going to say the word. Ready? Thimble. Thimble. Thumb. Does that sound the same, Keela? Thimble, thumb. Or does it sound like thimble, wheel? Do those have the same beginning? No. Thimble, thumb. Nice job. All right. So can you still hear me, Keela? Perfect. Perfect. We're going to glue the thimble under TH. Do you guys hear that? Thimble, thumb. Alexia, you are my next helper. When you are ready, Alexia, you can unmute and say ready.
Ready.
Good job. Alexia, do you know what this is?
No.
This is a whip. Can you say whip?
Whip.
Whip. Does whip sound like thumb or does it sound like wheelbarrow? See, listen for that first sound you hear. Whip, wheelbarrow. Whip, thumb. Which one sounded the same at the beginning?
Whip.
Whip? Like wheel or like thumb?
Wheel.
Good job, Alexia. These have the same blend at the beginning. W, w. And we're going to stop and check to make sure that all of our sounds are in the right spot. So these ones should start with th, like thumb. Here we go. Thermos, thermometer, thimble, w, wheelbarrow, whistle, whip. We are in the right order so far. Alakai, I'm going to cut off these 3 at the top, and you're going to help me with the first one. Unmute when you're ready and say ready. $13, nice job. Alakai says 13. Alakai, does this go under the TH like thumb or the WH like wheel? 13. Good job, Alakai. Let's listen to that. Thumb, 13. They both say th at the beginning. So we're going to glue the 13 under the thimble. All right, I'm looking for the next hand that's up. Elias, when you are ready, this is your picture. So you may unmute, Elias, when you're ready.
Whiskers. Whiskers.
Whiskers. Make sure, boys and girls, that it's the person I call on that's unmuting so we don't take away somebody's learning. Elias, you say whiskers. I want you to hear that beginning sound. W, w, whiskers. Does that sound like TH as in thumb or WH as in wheel? Good job, Elias. Whisker, wheel. Same beginning sound underneath the whip. Okay. Jose, here's your picture. Go ahead, Jose.
Dumb.
Thumb. Can I have you say thumb?
Dumb.
Thumb. Nice job. Does that sound like TH or WH? Or
TH.
Good job, Jose. Hey, look, it's the same picture. It's just a bigger one now. All right. I'm looking here and I see that I don't have a lot of room, but I do have space over here. So if any of these need to go over here, I can fit them. I can also start down here for the WH. I can start putting them two next to each other, okay? We're going to cut this just like this. And these three are the ones we're going to work on. We have this card, this card, and this card. So, Xander, can you tell me what this kid is doing? Thinking. Nice job. Xander, listen to this. Thinking. Is that TH or WH? W. TH. Nice job. Xander, I can barely hear you, but I can hear you just enough to hear that you said that this goes under TH, but it's very quiet. I'm going to put it right up here, right next to the thimble. All right, I'm going to start calling on students that don't have their hand up, because I would like to hear from you. If you are not ready, you can just tell me I'm not ready, and I can go to the next person. So if you would like to help me and your hand isn't up, I want you to put your hand up. Eli, do you know what this is called? What they're pointing to on this rose stem? That pokey thing? Liam, can you help out Eli and tell us what this pokey part on the flower stem is?
Stem.
So the stem is this long part here, and that has the blend of st. But right here they're pointing to this pokey part, and this is called a thorn. Can you say thorn?
Thorn.
Thorn. Does that sound like thumb, thumb, thorn? Or does it sound like wheel, wheel, thorn?
All I'm saying is I forgot because I never went outside.
Oh. So Liam, if you were looking at these, which one does it sound more like at the beginning? Thumb, thorn, wheel, thorn. Thumb, nice job. So thorn is going to go under TH, like thumb. Thorn, thumb. It's okay if you go up here on this side, and if we run out of room here, we can glue them just right next to it. All right, this next one is my favorite animal. Zayden. Uh-oh. I think he accidentally left. Anderson, can you tell me this picture? Whale. Good job. Does whale sound like thumb or wheel? First sound. W, w. Wheel.
Yes.
Good job, Anderson. W, wheel, whale. Both of them say w at the beginning. I'm going to glue it really close to the whiskers on the cat, so I have room for one more down here. I have 3 pictures left. Kieran, when you're ready, you're going to unmute and tell me this picture. If you need help, let me know. Okay, I'm going to come back to you, Kieran. Aaron, can you tell me this picture? We use it for cooking and mixing things.
Whipper.
Very close. Actually, I really like that name for it. We call this a whisk. Can you say whisk?
What?
Can you say whisk?
Whisk.
Good job. Whisk. Does that sound like TH or WH? W.
WH.
Good job, Aaron. Whisk. I like the name Whipper for it, though. That was really cool. That would also work over here because we have whip. All right, Kieran, can you hear me? All right, Kieran, I have this picture here. Do you know what this is called? Perfect. Nice job, Kieran. Would I put wheat under TH or WH? WH. Now, I didn't do a very good job of keeping my pictures over on this line. Tomorrow I will do a better job. For today, I'm going to glue it sideways. Just like this. Because I want people to know that it's still over here on this WH side. And I have one more. Kendra? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Kendra, can you tell me this picture?
show you the picture.
Mm-hmm.
It's a wheel.
Wheel. Good job, Kendra. Would I put wheel under TH or WH? W. WH. W. And I'm going to glue it sideways too. That's okay. And so now I have all of my pictures glued. So today at your house, this is what I want you to do, okay? I want you to have this checked over by somebody else. So maybe that's an older brother or sister, or maybe it's mom or dad, grandma, grandpa, whoever it is. You're going to go through and read these. You're going to say all the pictures and check and make sure it's under the right spot. Then I want whoever you read them to put like a check mark or a happy face or something to let me know that they checked it over with you and that it looks really good and organized. If your book is still wet with glue like mine, try and leave it open before closing it, because I was grading some last week and the pages were stuck together and I had to really rip them apart to get the page open. So if it's still wet with glue like mine is, I'm going to leave it open for a little bit longer so it can dry, and then I can close it. All right, so your job is to go over these pictures with somebody in your house, and then they're going to put a smiley face or some sort of thing here, okay?
Okay.
All right, so we are all done with this. You guys have reading with me in just a little bit. So yellow, you will have reading with me. Azul, you will have reading with Senorita Garcia. I do have a couple of students that I will be asking to go to a different group today. So make sure that you are focused and ready. If we are not doing our job and we are not focused, I'm going to have you stay with me in my group. Okay? It's super important that we make sure we are at our computer the whole time and we're not laying in bed and we are not watching TV or playing video games while we're in a lesson. That way, you can show me that you are being responsible and you can go to your new reading group, okay? It is time to go. Thank you guys for not unmuting and saying bye. I like that you waited for me to say. So you may turn on your video and wave goodbye, and you can unmute.